5 plus 5 which gives us 10. Okay, here 3 times 10 which equals to 30. Therefore here 13 divided by 30 which equals to 1. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis and exponent, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this expression there is one division and one parenthesis, okay, and one multiplication here. Therefore according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis and this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, if we do this multiplication before this division or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Okay, 5 plus 5, it gives us 10, then 13 divided by 3, then times 10. Okay, here's one division and one multiplication. Remember that according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore first we have to do this division, 30 divided by 3 which gives us 10. Okay, then times 10, then 10 times 10 which equals 100. This is the correct answer for this problem. The correct answer is 100.